Today let's make a creamy dreamy chicken spaghetti alfredo. So first let's boil the spaghetti in water along with some salt and oil. Once cooked, strain and keep it aside. Next slice some mushrooms, cut some chicken into strips, marinate it with salt and pepper. Keep it for 15 minutes. Then heat some oil in a pot, add the marinated chicken, mix it up occasionally. Once it's cooked, scoop them out and keep it aside. Into the same pot, add oil and butter, toss in some onions, saute till golden brown. Next, add in the sliced mushrooms, mix until the water leaves the mushrooms or till it's cooked. Then add chopped garlic, mix for around 2 minutes. Then add equal portions of fresh cream and milk. Mix well, bring it to a boil and wait till it gets a thick consistency. Then season it with salt, pepper, oregano and some fresh parsley. Mix it up well. Then add the cooked chicken, mix this again. Then add the strained spaghetti. Mix everything all together and cook it for 5 minutes and later garnish it with some cheese and parsley and your creamy-licious spaghetti alfredo is ready. Try it out with any kind of pasta and you're surely gonna love it. So do give it a try.